Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to send high quality photos and videos on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. Firstly, let's just open this Photos application and find a photo which we want to send to another person. For example, this one. Now we just need to click this share icon, and right here we need to scroll till we see this copy iCloud link. Let's tap it. Wait a couple of seconds till the link will be copied. And now we just need to open any messages application or mail. I'm gonna select messages. Here I'm gonna choose my friend Tina as a person whom I want to send this link, and then just paste this link and send like this. After a few seconds, other person will be able to download this image just by opening this link. If you want to delete this file from iCloud after you send it, you just need to open Files application, then go in Browse, and here select iCloud Drive. And right here you'll find your photo, tap on the three dots, then select, choose your photo, and then move it to the recycle bin. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.